In this video, I'll show you how you can split the columns in Excel. Now let's say you have these full names right here and you want to split them into these. Now what you can do is you can select all of them, come to data up here and choose text to columns. Now from in here, choose delimited, press next. Then you want to choose which one is separating, and you want to have the space, of course, because that's usually the one. You can see there's a space between all of them. Then this is how it will be separated. You can also choose any of these, but these won't do anything because we don't have a comma or a semicolon. This is how it's going to be split. Choose next. Down here will give you a preview of how it's going to look. And when I press finish, these are going to be split up in the middle. Just like that. Now, if I wanted to have them here, obviously I would just write it right here and then split it up from in here instead of from here. But that's basically how you can split it up in separate columns. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.